YouTube, it's your girl Raquel, and I'm back, y'all, with another video. Yeah, it's another wig review, y'all. I got another unit from Sam's Beauty. I got, we'll talk about the other one later. I'll probably do it, maybe I'll do it right after this one. Anyway, this is a Celebrity 100% Human Hair HD lot. It says it's a 5-inch deep bob wig. So all this box for this little bitty wig. There's nothing else in there. Y'all know I'll link it in the description. But I just wanted me a cute, short human hair look, y'all, for this contract I'm getting ready to go on. It don't look like, it doesn't look like I'm gonna be, I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna get ready to go on contract in Chicago, and there is a storm as far as I see coming in Chicago. So long hair ain't gonna work. I needed a cute short wig that would work for me in that kind of weather. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off and pop her on and see if she gonna be what I'm looking for. Okay, so let me get the lace cut off and I'll be right back. Yeah, I was getting ready to cut this lace off, but I want to show y'all the difference in how light that lace is. Can y'all see it? That's where I put my I just used the sponge that I used to put my foundation on today, and I just went over the lace with that, and you can see the difference. The lace is kind of light on this unit, but I like the way the hair feels. The hair quality feels really nice. And I didn't show y'all, you get 2 combs in the front and you get 1 in the back. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and get this lace cut. Okay guys, I got the lace off, and we're gonna go ahead and that's the parting. That's pretty deep parting. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some powder in there on that part to lighten it up, because I know it's gonna be dark before I put it on. Yeah, I just used my benefit powder, and I already got my little wig grip and my light scarf on. Hopefully that'll help. I don't plan on lacing it down or spraying it down. I'm just gonna put on my little wig grip. Let's see what her looking like. Oh, she got 2 adjustable straps too, y'all. Scraps. Big head friendly, that's a plus. It fit this big old head. Oh, this is gonna be cute. This is gonna be really cute. She needs a few bumps. Oh man, I forgot to turn the curl knot on. I'm gonna go let this thing get hot and then I'll pop back in. I like this. It's real natural looking. Let's see if these, oh, they hot fast. This is the only comb I got in here, y'all, so we gonna try to work with it. And y'all know I don't curl her, so bear with me.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing.
I like this hair, and I'm gonna recurl it when I get off this video. So y'all, yeah, this hair going to Texas with me. I'm putting her on a mannequin as soon as I get done. And I usually don't like this style because of my fat head. And I see I got some flips back there before I turn around, so y'all ain't got to talk about me. It's some going up. And then I burnt my forehead, so I'm done with it. I like this. I like this. But it needs to be curled better. I already know, y'all. I wonder, can I turn it? Ooh, no, that don't look cute. I'm going to leave it just like that. I like this. This fits is real good. It's real basic. But if you're looking for just a natural look, a natural style, I got a lot of fish hooks that I got to fix. But I'm going to give me some curling spray, and I'm going to curl this baby just right. Okay, let me let y'all see what it look like. Now, ignore my curling. I admit the curling is horrible. But this is how it looks. I hope it look as natural in the back. This is cute. This is really cute. And it's like it got layers. I'm trying to rush y'all. We got a snow warning here in Texas. And I'm finna run to Walmart. So I'm gonna curl this on a mannequin. But y'all get the gist. Y'all ignore these little fish hooks I got back here. You know what? I might put some crimping irons on it, because that's the part that get me. I like my hair to stand up a little bit and not be so flat. If I crimp it, I'll put it back on, pop back in, and let y'all see what it looks like. Okay? But other than that, here is the hang tag. This is by Diva Queen, y'all. And it's the Celebrity Part HD Lace Wig Bob in 10 inches. It's only 10 inches. And for me, I'm looking for hair that I can wear to work. And this is going to be it. This is going to be it. Alright, y'all. I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, did I say it's from Sam's Beauty? I don't know. It's from Sam's Beauty, y'all. Anyway, hope y'all having a blessed, wonderful day. And have a wonderful week. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.